I want to talk to you because when I came on Friday, was it Friday
Yes.
that I came? Yes, when I came on Friday, you were so quick to stop me and to just talk to me about how great this school was. But as I've been at your campus and I've talked to students and I've talked to teachers and I've talked to your principal, and all separately in different rooms, different times, everyone has said the exact same thing. And I'm just so curious and I want to hear from your perspective.
Okay.
What made you want to stop me and just to tell me how great this school is? Tell me about that.
I've been at Pin Oak just shy of a decade, and over the years I've just seen how well Pin Oak is run to directly address the needs and preferences of its students. And when they come to Pin Oak, they know that everyone belongs here and that everyone from our teachers to our administrators to the library to our fine arts program is going to see them and hear them. They have a voice.
I love that. I love that. As an educator, how have you been supported here?
I have amazing administrators, and they're very supportive of our library. We have an amazing PTO that, for whatever I need, they're going to help me as best they can. A big part of my library is student founded. They decide what we have on our shelves. They decide what kind of activities they want. And it can be anywhere on campus. And my library services support not only about 80 teachers or staff, but over 1,200 students.